Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be reviewing a brow product again, and it's from Maybelline. And you can see my brows, they're looking gorgeous, they're looking so natural. I haven't seen my brows looking so natural in a long time now, and you can see each and every brow hair, and it looks like you just gelled your brow hair and set them. It isn't looking like you have any product on, so I really love it. So without wasting much time, I'll move on to the application part, and I'll show you the up close view of the wand and everything. If you guys are wondering, this thing retails for $8 or $9 depending upon where you are getting it, so it's a cheap product. And now I'll just move on to the application. So that's how the packaging looks like, and at the back you can see all the details about the product, and the shade I got is deep brown. So here's the up close view of the tube. It just has a sticker here, rest everywhere it's plain, and at the bottom there's nothing, it's just this sticker here. And here is this weird wand which has this brush thing, kind of like velcro thing at the top, and to other side you can see it's plain. So it looks like a spoon, kind of like a spoon with velcro on top, and this velcro is catching a lot of fibers. I don't know my camera is picking it up or not, but it's catching a lot of fibers. And this has bristles too at the top only, and it's like good shape, it's tapered, so you can get that precise application. So there's not a lot of product which comes out on the brush, which is a good thing for a brow product. So I'm not able to swatch it properly, but that's how the shade and all looks like. So guys, let's just start with the application. And it's quite weird wand, and I thought it would resemble the product, the Korean product you get, which is going viral on internet these days, that has clear gel and bunch of fibers in it. I thought it will be something like that, but it's tinted gel with fibers. Oh wow, it's like really good. You can comb your hairs like this using the wand. You can see how like it's looking really nice. So basically that velcro thing acts as a comb, and you can brush your hair up, down, anywhere, in any direction you want. Not too much of the product is coming out. And guys, once this gel sets, it's really difficult to maneuver because it has set here already, and I'm not able to like pull these hair down now, and it's messing it up. I don't know if I have done it correctly, but there is a hair here. Yeah, I got it now. So you have to kind of work with it really quick, because once it sets, you cannot move it, and the work time is too short. It dries quickly. So guys, you can see the difference. Like this is my brow with this product, and this is my bare brow. So like there's a lot of difference between the two. Guys, that was the application, and you saw my brows were looking so gorgeous, and right now too they are set in place. You cannot move your brow hair, and it's really difficult to like maneuver once they set. So that's that. And if you are looking at my brows from a distance, they look gorgeous, very natural, but if you look up close, they look pasted on. I don't know why that thing is, but if you look really up close, they look like you have some tattoo going on or something like that. And it has like the normally my brow hair would be like visible, but with this product it has pasted everything on my skin, so they are not moving anywhere, and they look like they are part of my skin. rather than they look like hair, or they are not looking 3D, they are looking 2D as per like my opinion. And that's only when you look really up close. Like from a distance it's looking really gorgeous and natural, and like color match is also good for me. And the shade I got was deep brown, and I picked up thinking that it's like dupe for the Korean brow product, which is like clear gel with the fibers in it. I thought it will be like that, but it has tinted gel, so that made a lot of difference. I was excited that I got something at drugstore, something like that, because you know me, I'm little hesitant when it comes to ordering online, especially the beauty products, because I'm always worried what if I didn't like it. And all these smaller brands, they release very innovative products, but the prices are really high. So if I don't like anything, I should be able to return it. So those are my views, like that's my personal opinion. So guys, if you ask for my opinions on this product, I would say I hated a lot of brow products previously in my first application, so I don't think this time would be right time to judge this, because I'm really liking how my brows are looking, but I just don't like the look of my brows really up close. So that's that, and I'll be applying this product for a few more days, and then I'll be like putting my opinion in the description box below and letting you guys know what I feel about this. Also, I think this product alone is not sufficient. You might use some help from a brow pencil or something just to shape your brows in place. I haven't done it today, but next time whenever I'm using this, I'll shape my brow with the brow pencil first, then use this product. Then I might like it more. So those were all my views, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.